Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While drinking apple cider vinegar is associated with health benefits, consuming large amounts, 8 ounces or 237 milliliters, every day for many years can be dangerous and has been linked to low blood potassium levels and osteoporosis. 20.22 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, per day, mixed with water. It is best to spread this out into 2 to 3 doses throughout the day, and it may be best to drink it before meals. 24 August 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
7 side effects of apple cider vinegar. Delayed stomach emptying. Digestive side effects. Low potassium levels and bone loss. Erosion of tooth enamel. Throat burns. Skin burns. Drug interactions. 4th of March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ingesting undiluted vinegar of any kind can damage your throat and esophagus. Consume it earlier in the day. Drinking apple cider vinegar at least 30 minutes before bed may lower your risk of indigestion or acid reflux after laying down. Enjoy it in other ways. 26 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.